guys, this is Madhu here. Welcome back to Bangalore Traveler. So from the last couple of days, we have been roaming around Amsterdam. So we've been to major downtown bars and clubbing, and we have been doing all the city exploration from the last couple of days. On the third day, we decided why don't we go just outside of the city side and do some exploration of the villages. So that's why we have come here for a very beautiful place to explore Dutch villages and the windmills. How does the production of the cheese and how do they make the wooden shoes and all. So I'm going to show you a beautiful exploration of the Dutch villages. Please make sure you follow this video. Yes guys, come on. Guys, just look at here. This is the place, the whole process of how the cheese is made is shown here. It's just for the demonstration purpose. But since Netherlands is mainly famous for the milk products and they produce a lot of cheeses, this is the place. It's best for you guys to come and see how the cheese is getting prepared, and you can also try varieties of cheese over here. Okay, I'm going to show you the shop. How does it look like? Just take a look at it. Thank you.